Every steel service center knows this moment. The truck pulls up. The material's here. But before it goes anywhere, someone's got to type every tag into your system. You get a packing list, maybe it's clean. Maybe it's handwritten. Maybe it's a photo someone took from their truck. Either way, now it's your problem. 20, 30, sometimes 100 tags entered one by one. Misread a digit? That tag's now in the wrong coil, the wrong heat, the wrong report. SnapReceive AI reads any document, PDF, photo, scanned sheet, even hand-marked tables. It extracts every tag, every line item instantly. Then it syncs with your inventory system and assigns the material to the right location, tag, and heat with zero typing. Just review. Confirm. Done. It's like giving your receiving team an extra set of hands that never makes a mistake and never takes a break. SnapReceive means faster turns, cleaner inventory, no more bottlenecks, and less firefighting when someone says, "Where's that coil?" Your team can stop entering data and start focusing on what matters, keeping material moving. If your receiving process still runs on paper and patience, it's time to SnapReceive.